Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bluehost to Canva for branded web graphics, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Bluehost account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Sites section. Select the site you want to connect to Canva. Next, click on the Manage Site button. In the menu, find and click on the Settings tab. Scroll down until you see the Website section. Locate the site address field and copy the URL. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Canva website. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials to access your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click on the Create a Design button. In the design options, scroll down and select Custom Dimensions. Enter the width and height for your web graphic and click Create New Design. When you're satisfied with your design, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file type, usually PNG or JPEG, and click Download again. Now, return to your Bluehost dashboard. Go to the WordPress section and click on Pages or Posts, depending on where you want to add your graphic. Select the page or post you want to edit. In the editor, click on the Add Media button. Upload the graphic you just downloaded from Canva. Once uploaded, click on the Insert into Post button. Adjust the size and alignment as necessary. Finally, save your changes by clicking the Update button. Your Canva graphic is now successfully connected and displayed on your Bluehost website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.